Hello, everyone, and welcome back once again. This is Clean Money. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Number 17 has finally arrived, and it is this beautiful specimen right here. Ooh wee, that thing is pretty. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys to check it out. So yeah, it is a 2022. This is the first one that I've got this year. I think it looks good. I think it looks great. And here is the reverse. So yeah, fantastic. I am super stoked about getting that in. Been waiting for that to come in. I got that at a great price. I got that, well, I knocked off $100 on that. And that's what made that worth getting at the time, because gold, it was up there, man. It was in the high 1900s. Currently watching it right now. It's looking a little shaky, but that's short term. I'm more interested in the long term goals as far as buying gold, stacking gold, holding gold. That's the main focus for me. It's the main focus for this channel. Number one, get as much gold as I can while I'm still working. Number two, maintain that wealth, right? And gold is going to help me do just that. Now, sure, I could buy, pretty things, or I could buy things that, get you excited. But the main thing is just getting as much of it as you can while you still can. That's the main thing. And that's what I focus on here on this channel, is buying gold mostly. Not buying as much silver. I've made a couple of videos on silver, but I'm not really focusing on silver. I'm more focused on getting this gold and finishing up this tube of buffaloes. That's man, I am so ready to get that over with. So the trajectory of gold. Now, there is some correlation, right? There's some stuff that is it's kind of funny, thinking about it, because everybody's ginning up, all these things, these ideas about why the Fed's raising rates, is not really going to do anything for inflation. And that's true. That's like throwing a basketball at a speeding freight train. It's not really going to, a 0.25%. It's not really going to do anything, right? I mean, that's not going to do nothing. But the main thing is what happens to gold whenever the Fed always raises the interest rates. I got news for you guys. They go up every single time. The gold spot price goes up. 2018, the Fed raised the interest rates 4 times, okay? Now, 4 times, and the last time was in December of 2018. Now, what took place in March of 2019? That was the start of the current bull cycle that we're on now. March of 2019, gold was in the $1,300 price range. Where's it at now? It peaked all the way up to over $2,000 per ounce. And the significant thing about that is right now the Fed, what are they doing? They're raising the interest rates again. And the significant thing that has me extremely bullish for gold is the fact that while the Fed's raising interest rates, the spot price is already up there. So what is that going to translate to? If the spot price of gold always goes up drastically whenever the Fed raises interest rates, I'm thinking that the spot price of gold, it has nowhere to go but up. All right. Your stock market, it's going to go up. Your food and gas prices, guess what? They're already up. Thanks, Brandon. So at the end of this year, once the Fed raises the interest rates, I think next year you're going to see some massive price movement for gold. And I want to get as much of that in my stack as I can right now. That's what I'm focusing on. There is a silver lining to it, and I don't know if it's going to happen or not, because like I said, no one can predict the future. All we can look at is past trends and try to make the best decision. The silver lining is yes, a lot of people who watch my channel, they comment they can't afford gold. They can't afford to stack it. I'll tell you this, there's, you can go on JM Bullion right now. You can go on several sites and you can get gold for $100 right now. You really can. And if gold is going way up, guys, it's just going to get that much more expensive. And I just don't see it going anywhere but up. I can make a case for it to go down, but the likelihood of that happening, It's getting slimmer and slimmer by the day. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. I'm going to keep stacking these buffaloes until I get them done. Until then, I might move to fractional gold eagles like these. Or, I might just stick with the Britannias. They're might be my second favorite. But if you have any questions about gold and silver, check it out. I did make a video and I answered a whole bunch of questions from my viewers. So I'll leave that video up there for you guys to check out right there. All right. That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, keep grabbing on your stack.